Let me get the door. I'm a gentleman. Here we go. All right. Okay, be very careful in there. Yeah, you may go in.
George, don't drop the bucket, bud.
There you go, babes. Everybody in.
All right.
No knocking it out, George. I believe in you.
You got that one?
Turn the bucket upside down.
What's it like in here?
Not yet.
Oh, good luck. No, 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 no. Don't lean on the glass. There's so much popcorn. He's doing good. Should we stop it? Should we turn it off? Seconds left. He lost his bucket. Sapnap and George are fighting. 10 seconds left. Count it down. 3, 2, 1. Turn the microwave off. Turn it off. Here we go. Go, stop it! All right, get out. Here we go. No, no, don't. Careful, 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 careful. All right.
George, let me feel it.
All right.
Oh my God.
Go. All right, fellas, come over here.
Push up, push up, push up.
Those were his.
Okay,
That's yours, buddy.
I have